This message is for you if you are going to celebrate Mother's Day. Do you have a mom? Maybe your wife or girlfriend is the mother of your children, or perhaps there are important women in your life who are mothers and you want to honor them and celebrate them. I'm just going to share a little something that might help make yours and theirs Mother's Day a little bit brighter. Hi, I'm Shelly and I'm the creator of Cinch It. It is a fashion accessory that allows you to enhance the fit and style of a garment, because I found that when our clothes, like dresses and blouses and t-shirts, fit better, we look better and we feel more confident with ourselves. So I have been around a lot of women. As a matter of fact, I am a mom of 4 grown children. My oldest is 26 and my youngest is 18. And I now have a granddaughter. So I know a lot about being a mom. And I've been around a lot of moms during this Mother's Day time of the year. And I found that all moms have different perspectives on it, but I wanted to share mine because I think moms typically want to be around their kids a lot. Time is important, and but if you are a mom of young kids, then you typically might appreciate having a break on Mother's Day, because Mother's Day is Mom's Day, right? So what I'm going to suggest is that you actually ask mom what is important to her. Now, I have never been shy about saying what's important to me. I remember the time when my kids were all little. You can imagine 4 little kids. And I was pretty much an entrepreneur, but I stayed at home with the kids. So when it came around to Mother's Day, my request was, could I just please have a day to myself? That knowing that the kids are happy and they're with their dad, and I could do what I wanted to do, which honestly, many years, it was sitting at the dining room table and working on my scrapbooks of all the kids' photos. Oh my gosh. But as I got older, you know, I did cherish that time that I could have a day to myself to regroup. So what I'm going to suggest is that you truly ask mom to be honest with herself and find out what it is that she would like to do on her special day. Do not buy her a dozen roses. I don't know very many moms that actually do want a dozen roses, and that could be a secret that they're not going to tell you the truth, but I'm guaranteeing you it probably is. What does mom really enjoy? What does she like? Find out what it is about her favorite food, her favorite candy, her favorite, not just something last minute at Publix, but she may just appreciate a one-on-one date with her favorite child. They're all her favorite. But anyway, either way, enjoy Mom's Day if you're a mom. Enjoy celebrating your mom if you have a mom. And listen, just make mom feel good about herself. And that's knowing that you love her as much as she loves you. Happy Mom's Day.